morning. I asked you at the beginning of the week if you did the plastic bottle one to keep, you were using the bottom and the top, and I asked you to keep hold of the middle because you could use it again. Now, this style of bottle works, but these ones work better for today. So these are the feel slightly more flimsy. They don't have as many ridges in them. So the ridges are added for strength, obviously, well, and design, but it's essentially strength. So these are the ones that normally you get things like flavoured water in, and I actually find they work better for this. So what you need to do is you're just going to cut a square. So we're going to be making jewellery, essentially, or key rings out of them. So you cut your square, rectangle, circle, whatever shape you want to use out of it. So I've cut that. I'm going to put you down. And it's see-through, so it's very, very difficult to show you how to work on it. But what I've done is I've printed off a picture that I quite liked, that I wanted to include. And the nice thing is you can trace through, because the plastic is clear. You can just place your plastic on top, and using a permanent marker, there are lots of brands available, but Sharpies do work if you happen to have Sharpies. If not, any permanent marker will do. You literally draw your design onto your piece of plastic, and again, this is a really nice way of using up something that would otherwise either go into landfill or go to be recycled. And so I've got my design, which you can't see. There you go, you can see my design. And what I want to do at this point is I'm going to put a hole in the top, because I want this to be able to go onto a necklace or something. And I am going to put a hole in the top, using a hole punch. So just very carefully line it up. So it's near the top and central. Oh, dodgy hole punch. Oh look, I've nearly taken the bird's head off because I wasn't paying attention. So I've now got my hole in the top. Can you see that? Yep. The same as the crisp packets yesterday. If you pop it between two pieces of greaseproof paper and put another baking sheet on top. So baking sheet, greaseproof paper, baking sheet. Pop it in the oven. It will shrink down. I promise you this is the same size. To about a third of its size. And when it does so, it gets really strong and kind of hard. So it turns into this piece of really nice plastic jewellery that if you put a loop on, which is really easy to do, just a little piece of wire. So this is very, very chunky wire. I'd normally use something a bit thinner, but it's what I've got to hand at the moment. You can then... Where are you? There you go. Loop it through the top. Yours will obviously look much neater than this because you're not rushing to do it all in under 5 minutes, which is apparently the time that a YouTube video should be. And it's ready to go onto a necklace of your choice. Now you could, if you wanted to, start getting complicated, and you could pop it on the necklace with the beads that you made last time, which is quite nice as well. So that's how to make jewellery, and if you make them smaller you can make earrings, if you make them bigger you can make key rings. But there you go, that's how to recycle plastic to make jewellery. Okay, see you tomorrow, bye!